almost like kids can just smell when you start relaxing, bro.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me.
Like a boss. From what room?
Who broke your shoe?
A sweat.
Who?
A sweat.
A sweat? That's sarcastic.
That was crazy. Did you see that?
Can you say it? I love you too. Good night. You big girl, don't cry. Okay?
There you go. Man, I feel bad for that.
What did you say when you got your shot?
Hello. Today we're gonna make an apple pie.
Oh, this is too cute.
Here. We're gonna stick of butter. I did it. After a butter milk, we're a big flour. I did it.
Very good.
Yeah.
Nice